Welcome and thank you for joining us. Today Evgeny will share his video and this might save you time and money. So today we're going to talk about the tailgate lock, which is very similar in function on the XC60s and XC70. And this current vehicle, the owner experiences an issue that when he drives, the car tells him that the tailgate is open when it's actually not. And there is a pretty simple solution which actually worked on Evgeny's XC70, where his tailgate wouldn't open because of one of the micro switches was sticking. And the solution is just to lubricate the lock properly, because the factory grease in the lock, if you don't lubricate it over time, gets sticky and dry, and this affects the functionality of the lock itself. And a lot of owners will either go to the dealer or a shop to replace the lock, which is not cheap and is time consuming. So Evgeny will show this procedure that might help you save time and money using his own experience. Let's begin. Obviously, you gotta open the tailgate, and you'll have to remove the decorative plastic piece and put some kind of tray beneath, because it will be leaking down on the ground when you're gonna lubricate with the spray. Now, the important part of the procedure is to use a proper lubricant. Do not use WD-40 because it doesn't lubricate, it actually evaporates and nothing is left. Do not use lithium grease because again it will evaporate and remain a solid substance. You want to use something that has oil in it. So this particular can that Evgeny is using is actually a regular oil in a spray can. And how to test? You can spray on your fingers the product, rub with your fingers, wait and see after whatever is gonna evaporate, if it's gonna still stay nice and slippery on your fingers. If it becomes sticky, don't use it. So on my example at the end of the video here in North America, I'm gonna use just fogging oil for cylinders. So make sure just to not overspray on the door panel, and just spray liberally all over where you can find access to the lock. Make sure you pretty much soak the lock in the oil, because if you experiencing already some issues, it means that the mechanism is struggling. So spray it liberally all over, and you might want to repeat this process maybe a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks later until you get rid of the problem. And to maintain, you will need to repeat it on a yearly basis. And additionally, now you can use a screwdriver to just imitate the closing of the lock. So just move the latch into the close position and then open it again. Do this a few times and spray some more favorite lubricant into the lock. This procedure actually already helped quite a few people on forums, Evgeny says, that complained about some issues with the lock. Since Evgeny is the one that is selling the tailgate module or the taillights module, he has already quite a few customers that approach him and ask him if he knows anything about the issue. And this procedure actually helped quite a few owners already. And now time will tell if this will help the lubrication of the lock. So So Evgeny is gonna open and close the tailgate a couple times to let it operate with the lubricant in it. And I want to thank him for sharing his experience and helping other people on the channel here. And actually I decided to repeat this procedure on my XC70. So let's begin. A short message from Evgeny. 2 modules are available for purchase. The first one, the taillights module, will activate the vertical taillights on your XC70 V70 before restyle, and it looks amazing, especially at nighttime. This illuminates really nice. I've been using it for many years, so get it. Easy installation, works forever. The second module will close the tailgate after installation using your key fob, as seen right here, or from inside button. Since Volvo designed the car, you have to physically push the button on the tailgate, but the module is making it more convenient, so you can operate it remotely. Both modules are available. Email your VIN to the email on the screen, get it and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Let's continue. On my XC70 I do lubricate the lock, but I'm using usually rust check. It's actually a good product to prevent rust on the body of the car. And looks like my cover has a clip. You need to remove first of all the centerpiece. And then you can remove the clip, and now you'll be able to pull the cover off on the XC70. It's an 09 by the way. And I will be using fogging oil, pretty much oil in a can. I use this product to winterize my jet ski for the winter. I spray this fogging oil in the cylinders so the inside will not rust during long winter storage time. So I'm gonna use a rag to catch any oil dripping on the ground, and I'm gonna liberally spray it all over anywhere I can reach into the lock. And to be honest with you, I'm actually experiencing issues with the lock too. It wouldn't open, so when I hit the open from inside the bottom or on the key fob, the door wouldn't open. It just something goes wrong, and maybe from the third time it will open. So hopefully it might help me too. And again, I'm gonna manipulate the lock here manually. And also I've noticed I'm gonna pull some residue using the bone tool. I actually could see some excess dried up grease that built up over time, as you can see right here. And this pretty much completes this easy task. So I hope that you enjoyed this very simple yet pretty important video, because I bet how many people don't lubricate anything on their car. Even when you take it to service at the dealer, I bet they don't do this. So it might be a good idea to use the same method on all the locks around the car and just lubricate all the doors, including the hood latch. And this might save you headache and trouble in the future. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget the notification bell, and the super thanks is also welcome. I'll see you next time. There is more videos to come on the channel. Bye bye guys.